Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be doing my Main Speedcubes video. So let's just get started. So as I tell you my mains, I'm going to be doing my PBs and averages. So yeah, here we go. For 2x2, I used the Dayan 2x2. Basically an amazing 2x2 you can get. This is the new plastic Dayan 2x2, so it is not as good as the old plastic one, but I would say it's pretty good actually. Really nice functional 2x2 we have here. I've seen many people use, a couple of people actually use the new plastic Dayan, so I would say it's actually really nice. Now I'm going to be doing a video on this soon, like a review or like a short overview on the new plastic one, so you guys can keep in touch. Just what I did to this cube is just like, it was actually pretty bad out of the box, so what I did was just clean out the lube, do like 500 to 600 sols, and then re-lube it, and it got much better. So yeah, but there are some issues with it, and if something happens to it, I'm just going to be using my Lingpo as my backup. This is my backup main. I know it's actually pretty old, but I still like it a lot. Like, it's better than like the Tempo, which is way too fast, and I haven't gotten the Weipo yet, so I would say this is actually pretty good. But if I have to go to like a competition or something, I'm just going to be using my Dayan. So for 2x2 I average around 3.5 to 4.8 seconds or so. Yeah, that's like what I average, and my PB is 1.45, but I did get a 0.33 single, or is it something else? 0.3 single, and I don't count it because it was only 2 moves. For 3x3, I use my Qiyi Thunderclap. It is really nice. I used to not like it because it was actually like too fast out of the box, but I would say it's actually really good now. It's either it got slower or I just started to love it. I did lube it, but still maintains its really good TPS. So yeah, that's very nice. My backup main is the Yuxin 3x3. I know this cube has been out for like over a year now, but I still love it. I don't know, it's just super nice. The number one thing about this cube is that it is extremely stable, leaving it super controllable. And yeah, I'm still torn between these two cubes, but I'll say this is actually my main because I use this more these days. So yeah, my average is around 16 to 18 seconds, and my PB is 12.5. 4x4, Moyu Aosu. I used to like not practice 4x4 for a while, and then I just started to like practice. So I'm not completely sure on what I average for 4x4, but my Aosu is working nicely. For average, I would say I average around like sub 1 minute 30, and I want to be sub 1 because my friend is sub 1 right now, but I won't be able to reach it until like next year probably. I don't know. My PB is 1 minute and 11. But this cube is super nice. I just hope that I'll be better in 4x4 soon. So yeah, the Guangzhou is also a very nice cube, but I'm still in the middle of breaking in. So yeah, the outer layers are amazing. Out of the box, both of the inner layers and outer layers were extremely slow, but I managed to make it really nice, and I hope it's better than the Aosu. But right now, this is my main. Okay, so there's also one event I forgot to mention. and that is one-handed. 3x3 one-handed. I should have mentioned before, but oh well. Anyways, yeah, I use the Moyu Hualong. For some reason, this cube is actually very good for one-handed. I'm not good at one-handed right now. Like, average around like 50 seconds, and my PB is 37. But the Hualong is actually very good for one-handed, I would say. Pretty nice overall puzzle. I don't know why I like it so much for one-handed, but I do get very good times with it, and I always feel like comfortable when I use this cube. So yeah. So on to 5x5. I use the Moyu Bochuang. A very nice cube overall. I wasn't really into 5x5 until I got this, because once I got this, I'm starting to love this event. To be honest, this might like turn better than my Aosu. Inner layers are really nice. This cube is actually surprisingly stable. So yeah. Average around like 4 minutes. PB, I don't even know, like 4 minutes and 17 seconds or something. Yeah. But I am starting to get more into it, so I hope I get better. 6x6 and 7x7 I don't do. I just use a Shankow. Moyu Pyraminx for Pyraminx. Super nice. When I first got it, my friend gave it to me, but then it was super slow, so I had to like set it up and stuff. And now it is very good. It all coordinates nicely. To be honest, I'm not like excited for that new magnetic Pyraminx which is gonna be out. But anyways, I'm happy to I'll be happy to try it out, but I don't really mind. I don't really care that much. My average is like 9 to 15 seconds. I don't really practice Pyraminx anymore. And my PB is 6 point something. Okay, so Skewb. I used Qiyi Skewb. I just started Skewb recently, and I would say I'm actually like liking a lot. And there goes the pop of this piece. Anyways, yeah. The reason I didn't get the Moyu is because you have to like set it up and stuff. So, but this one you don't need a. So I'm really liking it a lot. I'm pretty inconsistent in Skewb because I just started. I average around like 18 to like 30 seconds actually, and my PB is 8, so I'm pretty inconsistent. But also, but still, I'm really liking this event. So yeah. So that's Skewb. And finally, we have Square One, which I don't do. I know how to solve it, but I don't do this event. Of course, it's a Qiyi Square One. The camera is not focusing. There we go. This cube over here, it's actually kind of weird. Like the layers are kind of like slow sometimes, but then here it's actually very like fast and stuff. It's still very like sandy right now, so I'm not completely sure if this is a good Square One. I mean, it's the best Square One out there, but I can't wait for that Guanglong Square One to be out. So yeah. Yeah. This cube, the Square One's pretty nice. Corner cuts and stuff. Yeah. So that's it for Square One. So yeah, I guess that's it for all of my main Speedcubes. I'm going to be going to a competition soon, so these are like probably like the cubes I'm going to be using. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And my Q&A is coming soon, so yeah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye!